This is Kerry with Dynamic Motorcycle Accessories. I want to let you know about another product that we've been working on, and this is our backrest bag, which can also be used as a tail bag. Some of the advantages of this bag is using it with our backrest is it's been designed specifically for our backrest. On the back side, there are Velcro pieces that can be opened, wove around the legs of our backrest, reattached, and then also this upper strap will go around the front of the backrest. As this bag is opened, it has little hinge points that keep your stuff from falling out when it's mounted in a vertical position. Those hinge points can also be undone when it's used in a tail bag configuration so that it can open all the way. Inside the bag, there are two stretch pockets on the inside that you can put small items that you want to keep separate from the rest of your things, or even like a small water bottle. Also on the inside of the lid, it has a zippered mesh pocket and also another sleeve pocket on the inside. This bag, as we designed it, we tried to make it a little better than the other options that are out there. We did a UV treating on it, which is not kind of your industry standard for a small bag like this. And we've also redesigned the straps that are used to attach this, where a lot of other tie-down straps will have just a folded loop on the end of the existing strap, but we sewed in a smaller strap so that as it's looped around and over different things, that when it's looped on, it's left with a very small loop. So with our backrest bag, tail bag, it will come with 6 straps, and 2 of these will be used if you use it in the upright and vertical backrest position, and we'll show you how those work. And then these 4 will be used if you use it in the tail bag position. And also is a waterproof rain bag to cover the bag if you need to. Okay, so one of the big advantages our backrest bag, tail bag has is that we designed it to be used with a very minimal mounting area. We know that a lot of people that buy our backrest will choose either a short luggage rack or even just the mounting plates, which doesn't give you a lot of room to really tie anything down or to hold bags. So this backrest bag we designed to be able to sit on that 2 or 3 inches that a lot of our mounting plates provide. The way that this would be attached is, first we'll undo the top Velcro, just reattach it back a couple inches in, undo the 2 bottom Velcro pieces, pull them through the plastic loops, set the bag, pull the strap, set it over top of the backrest, and then come around to the front. Pull those straps out to the front. Take these straps, feed them back through the plastic loops. Pull it back, Velcro that. Bring your next strap through. And pull that tight. So even with just our top Velcro and bottom Velcro. This bag is pretty secure on the bike, which would easily be fine for short rides and stuff. But just to make it more secure, we have another strap that can be attached, and you can either loop this around a spacer on the bottom side of the rack and back up through. You could also attach it to grab handle or just kind of wherever is convenient. So loop that strap on, clip it through this D-ring, pull this strap keeper off, tighten that. Just loop this one around the grab handle. Clip it on the D-ring, tighten that up. And then our extra strap can be folded up. And the reason that these strap keepers are removable is because our straps are designed to be able to attach from the rack up, where a lot of other manufacturers have long straps that are meant to be hooked down lower, and you don't have typically enough room to tighten up your buckle without running out of straps. But we designed ours more compact, and so this extra can be folded up, strap keeper wrapped behind it. And Velcroed in place. And there you have a very solid, secure attachment. As we talked about before, this bag really was designed to be used in a vertical position like this, but also works well as a tail bag. But the hinge keepers really do help keep things in place as you load your bag. Bag is a great mid-size bag for throwing gloves in, sweaters. It's also great as like a weekend overnighter bag where you can have change of clothing for a couple people for those quick getaways. Or quick trip to the grocery store or going to work and you just need to take an extra shirt or sweater with you. It really provides that extra storage that's quick to throw on and quick to take off, and can be adapted to any bike that has our backrest.